I bet you didn't know how easy it is to mine cryptocurrency with just your smartphone. Today, we embark on a journey to the frontier of digital currency, a realm where innovation and accessibility converge to create new opportunities. This is a space where technology meets finance and where the future of money is being redefined. We're diving deep into the Pi Network, a novel cryptocurrency project with a vision to bring the power of blockchain technology to the masses. This project is not just about digital currency, it's about creating a new financial ecosystem. At its core, Pi Network aims to create a more inclusive digital economy, one where everyone has the opportunity to participate and benefit. It leverages the power of smartphones, allowing users to mine Pi cryptocurrency from their devices. This means that anyone with a smartphone can become a part of this digital revolution. This approach removes the barriers of expensive hardware and technical expertise, making cryptocurrency accessible to everyday individuals. It's about democratizing access to financial tools and resources. But how does it all work? How can a simple smartphone be used to mine cryptocurrency? The answer lies in the ingenious architecture of the Pi Network, which relies on a network of nodes to validate transactions and secure the ecosystem. These nodes work together to ensure that every transaction is legitimate and that the network remains secure. These nodes, known as Pi nodes, are the backbone of the network, ensuring its integrity and reliability. They play a crucial role in maintaining the trust and security of the entire system. Join me as we venture further into the Pi Network, uncovering the secrets of Pi nodes and their crucial role in shaping the future of digital finance. We'll explore how these nodes operate and why they are so essential to the network's success. Prepare to be amazed by the power of decentralized technology and the potential it holds for a more equitable and accessible financial system. This is just the beginning of our journey into the new frontier of digital currency. Stay tuned as we continue to explore and discover the endless possibilities that lie ahead. If you find this content valuable, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell. Your support helps us reach more people and spread the knowledge about the Pi Network. Imagine a vast network of computers, each working in unison to maintain a secure and transparent ledger of transactions. This network is not just a collection of machines. It's a meticulously coordinated system where each computer or node plays a vital role in the overall health and functionality of the network. That's the essence of Pi nodes. They are the backbone of the Pi Network, working tirelessly to ensure that every transaction is recorded accurately and securely. These powerful computers act as the guardians of the Pi Network, ensuring the integrity and security of every transaction. They are like vigilant sentinels, constantly monitoring and safeguarding the network from any potential threats or discrepancies. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that rely on energy-intensive mining processes, Pi nodes utilize a unique consensus mechanism called the Stellar Consensus Protocol. This protocol is designed to be efficient and environmentally friendly, reducing the carbon footprint associated with cryptocurrency transactions. This innovative protocol allows nodes to reach an agreement on the validity of transactions without the need for excessive energy consumption. It ensures that the network remains sustainable and scalable, even as the number of transactions continues to grow. Pi nodes play a crucial role in validating transactions, preventing fraud, and ensuring the overall health of the Pi network. They meticulously check each transaction for accuracy and legitimacy, acting as the first line of defense against fraudulent activities. They act as distributed checkpoints, verifying the authenticity of every transaction before it is added to the blockchain. This decentralized verification process ensures that no single point of failure can compromise the network's security. Think of Pi nodes as the pillars of a secure bridge, supporting the weight of countless transactions and ensuring a safe passage for all users. They provide the stability and reliability needed for the network to function smoothly and efficiently. Their decentralized nature makes the Pi network resilient to attacks and censorship, fostering trust and transparency within the ecosystem. This resilience is crucial in maintaining the network's integrity and ensuring that users can rely on it for secure and transparent transactions. In the world of cryptocurrency, trust and security are paramount. Pi network addresses these critical aspects through its innovative use of trust graphs and security circles. These mechanisms work in tandem to create a robust and secure network. Trust graphs are essentially webs of connections between users, built on real-world relationships. By connecting with people they know and trust, users contribute to the overall security of the network. Each connection acts as a vouch for the legitimacy of a user, making it difficult for malicious actors to infiltrate the system. Security circles complement trust graphs by forming groups of trusted individuals who vouch for each other's transactions. These circles add an extra layer of security, ensuring that transactions are validated by a network of known and trusted individuals. The combination of trust graphs and security circles creates a powerful defense against fraud and malicious activity. It's like building a fortress around the Pi network, with each user and connection acting as a brick in its impenetrable walls. Section 4. Setting up your Pi node. A step-by-step guide. Ready to become a guardian of the Pi network? This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can set up your node with ease and confidence. Setting up a Pi node is a straightforward process, accessible to anyone with a computer and an internet connection. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for running the Pi node software. This includes having a stable internet connection and sufficient storage space. Visit the official Pi network website and download the Pi node software compatible with your operating system. Ensure you download the correct version for your OS, whether it's Windows, macOS, or Linux. Run the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the Pi node software on your computer. The installation process is user-friendly, guiding you through each step to ensure proper setup. If you haven't already, create a Pi wallet to store your Pi cryptocurrency. You can do this easily through the Pi Network mobile app. The app will guide you through the process of setting up your wallet, including securing it with a strong password and backup phrase. Once the Pi node software is installed, open it and connect your Pi wallet to the node. This step is crucial as it links your node to your Pi account, allowing you to participate in the network. Follow the instructions within the Pi node software to configure your node's settings, such as network connectivity and security preferences. You can customize these settings to optimize the performance and security of your node. Once configured, start your Pi node and let it run in the background. Your node will now begin contributing to the security and stability of the Pi network. It's important to keep your computer running and connected to the internet to ensure continuous operation. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a Pi node and joined the ranks of dedicated individuals securing the future of Pi network. Your contribution helps maintain the network's integrity and supports the growth of the Pi community. Welcome to the Pi network family. Section 5. Testnet, the proving ground for Pi network. Before a rocket launches into the vast expanse of space, it undergoes rigorous testing to ensure its readiness for the journey ahead. Similarly, the Pi network is currently in its testnet phase, a crucial stage of development where the network's capabilities are put to the test. The testnet serves as a proving ground for the Pi network, allowing developers to identify and address any potential issues before the network's official launch. During this phase, users can participate in simulated transactions, test the functionality of Pi nodes, and provide valuable feedback to the development team. Think of the testnet as a giant laboratory where the Pi network is being fine-tuned and optimized for its grand debut. It's a collaborative effort between developers and the Pi community, working together to ensure a smooth and successful launch. Section 6. The future of Pi rewards and potential. As the Pi network transitions from testnet to its official launch, the value and potential of running a Pi node become increasingly significant. Node operators play a vital role in maintaining the network's security and integrity, and they are rewarded for their contributions. While the exact reward structure is still being finalized, early indications suggest that Pi node operators will receive a share of newly minted Pi cryptocurrency as well as transaction fees. These rewards incentivize users to run nodes, ensuring the long-term sustainability and decentralization of the network. Beyond financial rewards, running a Pi node offers a sense of satisfaction, knowing that you're contributing to a groundbreaking project with the potential to revolutionize the financial landscape. It's an opportunity to be at the forefront of innovation, shaping the future of digital currency. Section 7. Join the Pi revolution. Become a pioneer today. The Pi network is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a movement towards a more inclusive and accessible financial system. By joining the Pi network and running a Pi node, you become a pioneer in this exciting journey, shaping the future of digital finance. Whether you're driven by the potential rewards, the desire to contribute to a groundbreaking project, or the belief in a more equitable financial system, there's a place for you in the Pi network. Download the Pi network app, start mining Pi, and consider setting up your own Pi node to become an integral part of this revolutionary ecosystem. The future of finance is decentralized, accessible, and powered by the people. Join the Pi revolution today and be a part of something truly extraordinary. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Your support helps us reach more people and grow the Pi network community.